guys. I just wanted to make a few quick comments on the big political story of the week. The two campaigns have went to war over when Mitt Romney left Bain Capital. The governor has always stated that he retired in 1999, but some recent documents from SEC filings and some documents Romney signed suggest he may have been with the company as late as 2002. Why is this important? After Romney supposedly left Bain Capital, they invested in some companies that offshore jobs, and that has become a big talking point in this campaign. Romney says he's going to be tough on companies that send jobs to China and fight to keep jobs in America, as does President Obama. And if it turns out he was heading a company that was sending jobs overseas, it would look very bad for him. Now, I view this whole story as a little sketchy. You know, if you understand corporate filings and all, he was listed as the owner past a certain date, but that doesn't necessarily mean he was working with the company, but he may have. Now, him signing documents, if that turns out to be true, that would suggest he really was still working with the company past 1999. The whole story is a bit, you know, a non-issue to me, though, because whether or not he actually was in charge of the company when it offshore jobs is irrelevant. If it would save the companies he owned money, Mitt Romney would offshore jobs. If it was a good business move, he would clearly do it. Mitt Romney was a good businessman, and for a company, that's a good business move. A part of any company, payroll is a huge part of their financials, and they save a lot of money by sending jobs overseas. So if it was a good business move, I believe he would do it. It's up to the individual voter to decide if that's the kind of person they want running the country. Some may view that as good, that he did whatever it took to make his business run. Some may view it as bad because it did ultimately hurt American jobs, as this jobless recovery we're in is suggesting, and stagnant wages due to competition from overseas jobs. But again, that's up to the voters to decide. But I feel he definitely would have offshore jobs if that option was available to him. Let me know what you think. Are you okay with Romney offshoring jobs if he did or if he would? And would you still vote for him if he was in charge of the company offshoring jobs? Leave a comment or a video response. And if you like these videos, please subscribe.